Let me introduce my family. This is my wife, my daughter, our dog Bailey, and Breeva. They love to play inside all the time, but so does the dust and dog fur. My wife deserves the most beautiful flowers in the world, but suffers from a pollen allergy. Luckily, we have Breeva, which instantly refreshes the air. Breeva Shield eliminates bacteria and other fine particles with 3 layers of filtration and 2 additional protective layers, anions and UVC sterilization, leaving them no place to hide.
Hey Google, set Breeva mode to auto.
It looks like Breeva is going at it again. Here we go. Breeva's built-in VOC sensor is like a sensitive nose that detects the concentration of volatile organic compounds in the air that even humans can't smell. The infrared dust can capture microbes as small as 0.3 micrometers. This is such a treat. Breeva can refresh the entire living room with its large area coverage of up to 246 square feet. Let's take a look at the air quality. All right, that's pretty good. And let's not forget the humidifying function. This is so considerate. At night, you can set it to sleep mode. That gives a low noise effect of less than 26 decibels. Set your favorite modes through the app. How simple is that? Good night, sweetheart. Breeva, hymn to air's freshness.